Timberline has been rather clever in that they developed one lock plug with different finishes that will fit into multiple lock body cylinders, as you see in this illustration. And this is just a small sample of the many lock bodies that are available in the removable lock plug system designed by Compx Timberline. Well, let's just say that you want to install a Timberline lock in a project that you're building at home. And you want to have this removable plug system because you might decide you're going to change the key at some point. Well, it's not that hard to do. So when you purchase a lock plug, this is what you get. A lock plug like this and two keys. It has the key number stamped on the key. It's also stamped in the face of the lock. So you pick whichever lock plug you like. There's a whole bunch of designs, depending on the application that you have. So the amount of lock bodies that are available, it's way more than you see here. There's a whole bunch of them for different thicknesses of wood and different wardrobe locks and gang locks, all kinds of stuff. So here's the thing you buy right here. Now, what you're going to do when you finally do get it, you'll install this in your drawer or your door or wherever you're going to put it. Then you got to put the key in it. So it's not real hard to do. Sometimes it's a little tough to shove it in there. There, you hear that click? Now she's in. And now you can turn your key. You can lock and unlock your drawer or your door, whatever it is. Easy to do. Well, now you take your key out and you think, I'm going to change this. So you're going to just put the key in and think you're getting it out. It ain't coming out. And that's because in order to remove that plug, you have to have the genuine lock plug removal key with all this nice yellow tag on it. This is what you need to get that lock plug out of there. So then you put this lock plug removal key in that hole, just like that, and you turn it, and you're going to meet some resistance, and you got to kind of give a little energy to it, and then, boom, you removed it. So now you can get a different one to put in there, or you can even put this lock plug in a different lock body. Here's a good example right here. We'll just stick it in this one. So there. Now I got the lock plug into a different lock body, and I got to remove this removal key. And now I use the key number that matches the lock plug that's in here, and I put that in there. And now look at this. I can turn my lock. You will not be able to remove the key with the key that you use for locking and unlocking. It does require, in order to get that out, you do have to purchase a lock plug removal key like this one, and then you can remove the plug. Now, I should explain too that you can install the plug with the standard key. Just got to get it lined up correctly, which I always seem to have trouble doing. Oh, there. Got it. So now it's installed and it's in there to stay. Now, one of the things I neglected to mention is these lock bodies. You buy the lock plug. That's one item, and you get it with two keys. You can pick the color you want. And then you got to buy the lock body separate. So the lock bodies, all the different styles. This is a gang lock one here. I don't know if this is a door or drawer lock. Here's one that's designed for different thicknesses of material. Lots of different applications are possible with these locks. So I think you'll find that this interchangeable lock plug system by Timberline is something that you can use and when you're building your projects, whether at home or if you have a cabinet shop. So if you have found this video to be useful, then you can do the thumbs up, you can like it, and you can subscribe, and then you can buy you a whole bunch of these things.